Sumaji.
Yeah.
And
Good morning.
I would like to have your experience regarding how you package yourself, exactly how you do your business. So
Yeah.
that, according to that, I'm asked.
So how do I, you can say, separate or segregate
Yes.
my project, entire project?
Absolutely.
Like I am working with three people, three kind of people.
Okay.
First is women above 30
Okay.
who are ready for a change,
Yes.
who are looking for something different, what is missing from their life,
Oh. Uh-huh.
okay?
Yes.
And that is one sector.
Interesting.
Huh. You see, there are some women who are like from the middle class, who are from the upper middle class, and who are from the lower middle class. Actually, class does not matter. What matters to me are they are supposed to be educated.
Yes.
Because what I teach is not so easy to understand for a person who is not even a graduate.
Correct.
Because I tried that, but the success rate is like my effort goes 2000% to the result I get from them.
Yes. I understand.
Got it?
Yes.
So, in case a person approaches me
Yes.
who is not that educated but wants to come out of the problem, so for them, I try to make them understand in a very simple way that what your problem is, from where you are creating the problem, and then solve it accordingly. And plus, I push them to my students.
Great. So you are saying that you are solving the problems, other people's problem. Which
Yeah.
sort of problem you are solving actually?
Yeah. Look, my education base is like, it's complementary to what I do.
Very good.
I have a psychological base,
Yes.
I have a medical base, I have a healing base, I have a teaching base.
Oh, great, great. So many
Okay.
instruments you are having.
Yeah,
So many tools.
I combine all of them, and
Very good.
I try and help people
Very nice.
in areas of health,
Uh-huh.
wealth, and relationship. These are the three key areas
Okay.
where a person can go wrong.
Yeah.
And if you suppose, if you feel that your health is not good, actually it is also reflecting in your wealth. It will also reflect in your relationship.
Correct, correct. So how you do your programs? I mean, it is a one-to-one or it is some retreats or workshops?
I do all of them.
Okay. And
Depending on the gravity of the problem
okay.
and the readiness of the person to come out of it. Look, who are looking for quick solutions.
Okay.
Okay. Basically, instant solution, I don't take them.
Okay.
Fine. Who are looking for at least
Some
they
sessions?
They have got time for at least 1 year to work with me. For them, I take in group seminars.
Okay.
So, after doing the group seminar, I divide them into different sections. Like if you are having relationship with a problem with your children, I put them separately. If you are having a relationship issue with your husband and in-laws, I put them separately. If you are having a relationship issue with your boss and the outside
Siblings,
world,
yeah.
I separate them.
Correct.
Okay. And then I work with them.
Okay.
Basically, my work is not to give them one solution. I don't go more about technicality.
Great. Very
Yeah.
good.
My issue is like you learn the basic,
Yes. Yes.
solve one problem with me, and then try and solve the other problems with yourself. Wherever you get stuck, come back.
Absolutely. So solving the problem with you or with your guidance, the people get confident that they can even solve their problem their
Exactly.
own. So you make them
That is-
independently.
yeah. Because
Yeah.
that is my core value.
Exactly. Great, Shoma. Great.
Because
this is
I
the
can only give what I have, and I can only work with people who may not be having that thing, but at least that is their value.
Very
If they are looking for independence, they should come to me. If they are looking for, if they are very comfortable in their dependence, then I am not the person.
Absolutely.
They have to search for somebody.
Yes.
So first is the segregation.
how you charge your clients and how you help people so that they can come regularly with you again and again.
Okay.
So please tell me something about it.
Okay. Initially, I tell them what is the package, how much it will approximately cost,
Okay.
and what is the gravity of the problem.
Okay.
Till the time they do not understand, they may feel, I just have a wrist pain. Why should I be charged so much? But the wrist pain is related to your heart. It is related to the amount of burden you are carrying.
Yes.
So I need to make them understand exactly what your problem is.
Correct.
And till the time they don't understand, I don't charge them.
Okay. Oh, this is the beauty actually.
Yeah, so initial sessions are free.
Yes. Okay.
They need to understand me, I need to understand them. I don't charge anything.
Excellent.
And they have the, you can say, independence to leave me anytime.
Very
and
nice.
similarly, I have the same privilege. If I know that they are enjoying their problem, I leave them. I don't work.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So it is not botheration by anyone else. Neither your side, neither
Obviously.
clients. Yes. Very good. Very good. So you are giving
I
them
expect
freedom.
the same thing that I deliver.
Absolutely. Very good. It is transparency between you
Yeah.
and the
Total,
other
total.
person.
And I explain them what I do,
Yes.
how I do, why I do.
Exactly.
And if they can get a better service anywhere, they are free to go.
Very nice. And
And that freedom brings them back.
absolutely.
I don't want to possess them.
Good. So that is very important. That is the basic principle
Yeah.
of healing or any other modalities actually.
Actually, I do not depend on modalities.
Okay.
Modality is a taboo for me.
I see.
Because that's why I have come up with a book with such a title. Modality is like limitation.
I see.
And the limitation is given to you by somebody else.
Correct.
Your range may be much higher than what the modality is teaching. But if you go just by that modality, you are limited.
Oh, that is a very different aspect you are talking about, the modality. That is very good. I like
exactly.
this principle. Yes.
Like, I have to name a system, so I have named my system Cosmopathic Pathway.
Oh,
Huh.
interesting.
So,
Very
in
good.
that, whatever you are supposed to explore, learn modalities. Modalities are tools.
Correct.
But you, after learning all those things, you may develop your own tool, which
Absolutely.
might be a combination of all of them.
Very good. So that is your personal brand or personal blend that according to your experience you are
this
teaching
is
to
me,
people.
my experience,
Exactly.
my learning, and my expanding.
So nice. Very good.
So this is what I teach people.
Yes.
You don't be limited.
Very nice. And what is you're talking about the book?
Okay, Sack the Healer and be your own therapist.
Oh, great. And can you give me a few sentences about what it is about?
The book is about taking responsibility of everything good and bad in your life.
Oh.
Unless you take the responsibility yourself,
Mm-hmm.
you will land up in trouble.
Yes.
You will create the same, because you are living in the same vibration.
Yes.
And you are not understanding how you are creating the life that you are living. Because I am a person who does not believe in destiny. I believe that we make our own destiny every day, every moment.
Very good. Very nice. Yes.
So my book is about that.
Great.
How I achieved my independence.
Mm-hmm.
How I achieved everything I have achieved. What are the steps? What are the principles I follow? And they may not be enough for a person.
Oh, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
but at least if they follow some of it,
Yes.
they may start exploring what is their principle, what is their values,
Yes.
and from where they are working.
Yeah. That's very good. That's very
So
good.
it's a path.
Yes.
So that's why I call my system cosmetic pathway.
Oh.
Find your own path.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. This is the last question. Who are
Yeah.
the target audience or people for this valuable book? You have make so much efforts that your knowledge, your wisdom in that book.
First is my target is
Yeah.
people who cannot afford my classes.
Okay. Great.
They can at least start working with themselves.
Very good.
The second group is those who want to reach me.
Mm-hmm.
First, let them go through my book.
Okay.
Actually, along with my book, I have written around 11 blogs and kept them in Speaking Tree.
Okay. Very good.
So
very
any
nice.
student who comes to me or any patient
Hmm.
who approaches me, first I tell them go through all my blogs.
Very nice.
In case you can relate to it, come back to me, because that is the first scanning I do.
Absolutely. Yes.
I am not for everyone.
Absolutely.
I am for a very limited target audience.
Very nice.
So these are the process how these people can eliminate themselves.
Yes.
Plus those people who are in the blame game
Yes.
and enjoying the blame game, I am not for them.
Yes. Okay. I'm really thankful to you and all my best wishes to your book and your courses henceforth. Thank you very much.
Do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. If you have any queries, you can visit our website. You can contact us on LinkedIn, or you can email us at shomaghoshelp@gmail.com. All the links are mentioned in the description below.